Alright, so this is my first main dish using my base of my squash and yams. And basically what's happening here is I'm using chicken breast from Costco. I'm using some leftover spaghetti sauce that goes in there. My zucchini, sweet potato is in there. And pretty much what we're doing is letting it heat up. Made some white plain rice. It goes in the chicken breast. Here's the zucchini, squash, sweet potato, and the spaghetti sauce. And yes. Slowly, gently. You work it in, you work it in. And one thing I'm going to tell you is cast iron pot is your best third, fifth, first top tool in your kitchen, because you can season stuff briefly, quickly, put the top on, put it in the oven, and that becomes your nice slow cooker. And you get good meals out of that. That's it. Can't wait. We'll let it warm up through, and your first main dish is done with squash, yams, chicken breast, leftover spaghetti sauce, onion fried in ghee from Kenya. Yep, and we're good to go. Brief story of why I love to cook. It's my wonderful unconscious way of remembering my mother, loving my mother, because she broke the African taboo tradition which says a man is not supposed to be in the kitchen, whether they are girls or no girls. Anyway, I happen to be the firstborn of 7, and she decided, come high water and whatever else the expression goes, he is going to learn what I needed to be done. So at a young age, fetching water, firewood became the routine. Later on, she allowed me in the kitchen, not because I loved the kitchen, because that was required of me. The rest is history, so every time I stand over this kitchen cooking, my heart is filled with joy, because that's the way I remember my mom. Blessing, blessing, and goodbye. Amen. Be blessed, be blessed. More dishes to come. Creative minds and a starving stomach are a wonderful combination to come up with the best meals in the world. From Patrick Muindi, 5-star Michelin restaurant in Elizabeth, New Jersey. Goodbye and be blessed. Watch out for more creative moments. Bye-bye. you go. Nicey, tasty, spicy, sweet, mellow, wonderful song. Dish, 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 dish. Oh, I wish I could send it over there, but yeah. You're welcome. Give me a buzz. Tag me. You never know. Can cook the same dish over again. I have the best to do the same over and over. Bye bye. As you can see, I have 3 packs of my melody of zucchini and sweet yams to create any of my other dishes. Beef stew, soup, you name it. Good for breakfast with eggs. Spicy, tasty, enjoy.